Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang monthly reading ninyo for May 2026. General reading, pwede kayo makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Okay. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, o kaya naman you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Scorpio. Anong energy ng May 2026 for you? For Scorpio. Letting go. Oh, okay. May ili-let go ka. May palalayain ka, may i-release ka. Anything that is no longer serving you. Okay? This can be anything. Can be relationship, career, trabaho, or idea na sa tingin mo hindi na siya worth it for you na i-pursue. Sexuality. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo yung iba lang naman, maaring mas magiging totoo kayo sa sarili nyo about your sexual preference. Okay? You may be coming out, no? Para dun sa iba sa inyo na you want to be genuine and true to yourself. Some of you naman, this can be yung bang you're stepping into your own power to your authentic or highest self, kumbaga. Something that will bring you peace of mind. Mas i-embrace mo ang iyong sarili, ang iyong masculine or feminine energy. You will not let anyone dictate what you want to do sa sarili mo, especially to your body, and how you will express yourself. Kumbaga, what is the overall energy? Oh, the Wheel of Fortune. You are changing. You are directed to your life's purpose. So ngayong May, mas magiging malinaw sa'yo ano yung purpose mo sa buhay, ano yung kailangan mong baguhin, anong direksyon yung kailangan mong tahakin. Because this is your destiny. Ano to ito yung change na wala kang magagawa kasi kailangan talaga niyang mangyari. Now, your challenge is the Ten of Cups. So, pwede magkaroon ng challenging situation sa family, sa home life, sa mga plans ninyo. Pwedeng meron kang plano pero merong ibang plano sa iyo ang universe. May ibang plano sa iyo si God. Now, pwede rin may mga kailangan kayong ayusin, asikasuhin related sa home life, sa family life ninyo. Maaring meron kang mga goals, specific goals na kailangan mo nang ipagpaliban para sa ibang mas importanteng bagay. Now, your opportunity is the Nine of Wands. As an opportunity, ito ay resilience, no? Pagkakaroon ng lakas ng loob, kahit na maraming challenge or kahit na medyo nahihirapan ka sa isang sitwasyon na meron ka ngayon, don't worry kasi merong support, no, na maibibigay sa'yo. May darating na support. And even if walang support, no, kahit na dumating yung time na wala pa rin support, you know how to take care of yourself. You have the strength that you need. And some of you, maaring mas magsaset ka ngayon ng boundaries kasi yung iba, maaring kayo ay na-take advantage dahil sa kabutihan nyo, kabaitan nyo. And I feel like yan yung isa sa i-release ninyo na parang lahat na lang binibigyan nyo ng chance or pagkakataon. But ngayon, mas magiging kayong stricto, no, sa mga taong nakikilala mo, mga decision mo. Ooh, your blessing is the transformation. This is also your energy as a Scorpio, no? This is, kumbaga, yung iyong blessing ngayon, yung sarili mo. Blessing sa'yo yung nagbabago or magbabago sa'yo ngayong May. Yung ending. Whatever is ending sa life mo ngayon, it is a blessing kasi something is starting or may new beginning. Kumbaga, kailangan yun mawala, kailangan yung ma-release para makapagsimula ka. And I think that is going to bring you peace of mind. Na finally, may pinupurso ka na something sa buhay mo na alam mong dun ka mas magiging masaya. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, surrender, oh. I think ito yung i-release mo. You are surrendering control. Na may mga bagay, sitwasyon sa buhay mo na hindi mo kontrolado. And the moment na i-surrender mo yon, everything will fall into places. Meron ding peace dito. Dalawa yung energy ng peace. So, some of you maaring you will make peace with yourself or merong pag-aayos or parang pagpapatawad or pagkakaroon ng kapayapaan ng isip dahil ayaw mo na ng magulong sitwasyon. Wow, tinan nyo naman, may prosperity, jackpot, may success and good fortune. Alam niyo, Scorpio, whatever is changing in your life right now, especially ngayong May, this is going to bring you prosperity, good fortune, okay? Especially in career change or like paglipat rin ng bahay. Kasi minsan yung bahay rin natin nag-a-attract yan ng certain energies and pag meron tayong binago doon, may nagbabago rin sa energies na dumarating sa life natin. So I think this is something good for you. And also, yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo, you are seeing things clearly. Ayan. Mas, malinaw sa'yo lahat. Maaring mas nag-intensify yung inyong instinct, yung inyong intuition. Some of you are also transforming spiritually. So, pwedeng meron kayong awakening na nangyayari. So, yung awakening na yan, you are learning more about yourself. Kaya mas nagiging totoo ka sa sarili mo. Eliminate distractions, stop shining light on things you are not. How can you reclaim your power? Diba? O, stop shining light on things you are not. This is pagpapakatotoo sa yung sarili. Hindi mo na parang ipapakita na ito yon, ikaw to, pero hindi naman pala ikaw yon. Okay? You will also eliminate distractions. Aalisin mo yung mga bagay, sitwasyon na hindi na nag-a-align sa goals mo sa buhay para wala na yung blockages at magdire-diretso at magtuloy-tuloy ka doon sa goal na gusto mong ma-achieve. You also have Libra energy, 9th house. Okay, you are learning a lot. Okay, 9th house is about learning. Same with Jupiter energy. This is expansion. Maaaring may mga bago kang kaalaman, abilities, talents, and skill set that you will explore. Some of you pwedeng may travel opportunities. You will, may magbubukas na opportunity sa iyo na makapag-abroad, makapag-trabaho sa ibang bansa, makapag-negosyo sa ibang bansa, or also learning possibilities. Some of you meron ditong gustong mag-aral para magkaroon kayo ng career sa government, sa military, ganyan. So, very interesting for you, Scorpio, ang May. It's about expansion, peace, and change. So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.